Understanding the phrase, save your bacon, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and commonly used English phrase, save your bacon. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such expressions can really enrich your English language skills. So, let's explore what this phrase means, its origins, and how to use it in everyday conversation. Save your bacon is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to prevent harm or loss in a situation, especially from a dangerous or difficult situation. It's often used when someone avoids a close call or narrowly escapes trouble thanks to someone else's help or due to a fortunate turn of events. The origin of save your bacon dates back to several centuries ago. The term bacon was often used in a metaphorical sense to represent one's livelihood or body. Therefore, saving your bacon implied protecting one's well-being or life. Knowing the historical background of this phrase can help you appreciate its usage in modern contexts. To fully grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. 1. I almost missed the deadline, but my coworker saved my bacon by helping me finish the project. 2. That warning sign really saved our bacon. We were about to walk into a dangerous area. In these examples, save your bacon is used to express gratitude or relief for avoiding trouble or harm. When using save your bacon in conversation, it's typically in informal settings. It's great for storytelling or expressing thanks. For instance, you might say, "Thanks for covering my shift last minute. You really saved my bacon." Remember, it's not used in formal contexts but is perfect for casual chats with friends or colleagues. We hope this video has shed some light on the quirky and useful phrase, save your bacon. Understanding such idioms can make learning English more enjoyable and help you sound like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase when the situation calls for it. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.